how to remove Red AI from Zoom. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Red AI from Zoom. So to get started, go ahead and open the products tab on your Zoom application. So go ahead and click on products from the top left of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and select App Marketplace. And then once you're on the Zoom app marketplace, click on Discover More Applications. And then once you're on this page, go ahead and click on the Manage button, which you'll find at the left side of your profile icon at the top right of your screen. And then from here, head over into the Apps on Account tab to be able to find all of the applications downloaded for your Zoom application. So from here, scroll down and then click on the three dots at the right side of Red AI and then select Settings from there. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on Manage App, and then you'll be able to find this option to disable the application or remove the applications from your Zoom app. So once you have selected one, click on the button that applies for that, and then you need to confirm the removal of Red AI or disabling of Red AI for Zoom for your account. So removing the Zoom app alone may not stop Red from joining meetings if your calendar is still connected. So if Red joins meetings when you're not the host, someone else may have invited it. And that is how you can basically remove Red AI from Zoom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.